Hey everybody, it's David once again from Deals with David, and today I want to talk to you about this 10-inch digital photo frame. Let's get into the product cam and take a closer look. All right, get things set up. Open up the box, and very well packaged together. And I've always said, well packaged, you're going to get a well put together product. Simple Smart Digital Photo Frame user manual, and you'll want to download the Our Photo app, which you can scan on a QR code in the instructions. Coming out of the box, 10 inches in size, and we've got our DC power adapter, and this is for standing on a coffee table, which I'll demonstrate. Okay. Want to put this on a coffee table, you'll see, or any table I should say, just screw this into the back. Or it's also got a spot here for mounting onto the wall. You simply set things up, and you've got an SD card slot and two USB slots, and of course where your power plugs into. Now, what's really great about all of this is you can connect this to the Our Photo app and give your friends or family permission to upload videos and photos. It's also got an alarm clock on it, a calendar, a clock, and the videos you can listen to because of the speakers that are built in on the back of the system here. Imagine sharing this with someone who doesn't have a cell phone, like a mom or a dad or a grandma or grandpa, or maybe somebody who lives in a nursing home, and you could be taking vacation pictures with the kids or the grandkids, or just everyday photos and videos, and be sharing them, and imagine them taking a look every day and seeing something new, or showing this off to the people that come over and visit you in your home. This 10-inch digital photo frame is really going to enhance your social experience and be able to share with family and friends. Thanks as always for watching, and continue to enjoy your shopping here on Amazon.